Riverside Drive.
Well, honey, it feels nice and solid and smooth. Can I turn the air down a little bit so I hear the braking system? Because I'm comparing it to the Lexus, you know. Do you hear that? It kind of bugs me a little bit with that when it's like, you know, kind of.
Well, it's very noticeable in the Lexus when you let off on the gas and but when you let off here, how aggressive is the regenerative process? You know,
when you're coasting, there is some regen going on, and then of course when you apply the brakes, it's even greater. I think we've done a pretty good job of kind of blending, because what's going on there is you're not only using a conventional braking system, but you're also the electric motor, kind of making that a generator to run in reverse to slow the car. So there's a certain amount of blending between those two systems that goes on, and that's where our software guys spend a lot of their time. Because the goal is to kind of make that as seamless as possible, so you don't know which system is doing what.
Yeah, I've heard on some electric vehicles, you know, just more like traditional electric vehicles, they have very aggressive, you know, regenerative properties. Like as soon as you let off the brake, it's almost like the car's, you know, slow it down like that.
And there's definitely a coast mode in here, or there's a little bit of regen, but not much.
I'm letting off on the brake. Yeah, and that's another thing, when you let off on the Lexus, it's like the, you know,
there's fairly smooth
oh,
software.
it is. Yeah, the seats and everything.
We're going to continue straight, not this light, but the next light will make a right on the way. That's the sequence.
Now, is the air conditioning running just off electricity? Or?
Yeah, it's an electric AC compressor, whereas on a conventional vehicle it would be belt driven. So everything's electric. There's a power steering pump, it's electric. You know, all the accessories, it would be belt driven or mechanical or electric. And we'll continue straight.
It's very, very quiet.
Traffic light, that's Alameda, and we'll make another right turn.
It's got, I mean, it's tapping a little bit on
Yeah, what's like, you know, some of the stats, like 0 to, you know, 30 or 60 or...
0 to 60 is in about 9 seconds, and the power output's about 230 pound-feet of torque, which is what a V6 Equinox has. So just to give you an idea in terms of your power output. The great thing about electric propulsion is it's very efficient. You know, at a typical gasoline engine, you have to build RPM to make power. You're waiting for that to happen. Whereas with an electric motor, you have full torque basically at 1 RPM.
Instantly.
Power. Do you need more air? Okay.
It's quiet. I mean, I don't need it. I was just trying to listen for that annoying. It's almost like a squeal with the Lexus. You know, that brake is.
Have you driven in one at Lexus at all to hear that?
No, I haven't.
We could show you if you're interested.
We have a Tahoe hybrid.
Oh, okay.
That we drive, and I know what you're talking about. It's probably
a whine, kind of a whine sound.
Yeah. Yep, I know exactly what you're talking about.
People that have never driven in a hybrid, and that's the first thing they comment on. Like, what is that whine sound?
The Tahoe makes some different sounds, but I would say they're fairly subtle. I mean, if you weren't, I think a lot of people, if you didn't even mention it, they might not think so. But we're going to continue straight.
Hey, so how do you go about, you know, getting picked to get the vehicle for a, you know, I don't know how long they get to drive them, but...
Yeah, it's a 2-month loan. So have you signed up online?
I'm on Project Driveway and, you know, been, you know, blogging up there. And,
I'm like in this desperate situation. My son's going to be 16 on the 28th, and he's going to get my Honda Element.
Okay.
And it's like, I need a car, and it's like, you know, we're very, you know, our house, you know, with everything we're just.
Yeah, we didn't. I don't know if we told you, but we got solar on our house. We just won a green award from the city of Huntington Beach.
Very
first home.
The mayor, we're on TV, you know, the local TV and everything, and so I'm frustrated because my son's like, you're not going to share a car with me. That's like, but I cannot. I mean, we've had the Mercedes Dreamers. I mean, any.
We'll go right just past the school.
Oh, I know we're here. A pick of the cars. I just can't. First, I want to buy American, and secondly, I can't. I just don't want to go towards the gas guzzler. And it's like I feel stressed about the place.
Well, the Bolt's not until fall of 20 again. That's the last I heard. What did you hear?
Yeah, that's what we've heard too. And you know, with the solar on our house, it's like we're thinking, man, we'll be able to just about run the thing for free, you know.
I know. Well, I mean, with that, and then we're trying to get the first wind turbine and integrate with our solar. I'll never have to do with that.
Back to your question, Kirk, about how do you get fixed?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, being here today, you're definitely going in the right direction. I can tell you that. I bet you're a member of Project Driveway. You've been blogging, and I think that you take some quizzes as well.
Right.
Pass the first driveway, we're going to driveway with the problem free. I would say that you're off to a real good start. And being in Huntington Beach, your primary refueling site would be at Irvine.
Yeah, I actually work at Jamboree in Maine.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, campus and Jamboree then for refueling, so you're not far.
So you're comfortable, honey?
Yeah, right turn. Do you want to go for a
Yeah, I'd love to drive it. So probably should have had to stop something.
No, don't worry about it. We'll do it. Yeah, you can stop right here. We'll do a swap.